Good morning, children. As you know, the first chapter is going on, that is operating system. In previous topic, we were discussed about the types of operating system. Now we are going to discuss what type of operating system based on interface. What is interface? Now see, operating system based on the user interface, and user interface is a set of command menus and icons that a user need to communicate with a computer. It means interface is a collection of commands, menus and icons that a user need to communicate with a computer. It means user cannot communicate with the collection of command, menus and icon, so it is aspect to the interface that all these things. It is one of the most important aspect of any operating system. Means all of interface operating system has contains commands, menu and icons. An effective interface makes the operating system more effective. Yes, if the interface is effective in the sense is there is a command, icons and menus, it means it is very effective. Its RAM should be very high, its speed should be very high, it should be send a data in a bulk, it should be receive a data in a bulk, it should be perform the task in very less time, and it's very high speed, it give a output accurate and correct. That means it is very attractive operating system. Based on the user interface on operating system can be of two types: CUI, character user interface, and GUI, graphical user interface. On the basis of interface, there are two types of operating system: CUI, that is character user interface, and GUI, that is graphical user interface. Now see what is CUI. CUI, character user interface, short for character user interface or command line user interface. You can see in a short you can say it is character user interface or command line user interface. CUI is a way for users to interact with computer program. CUI is a way, or you can say the bridge. Through this you can interact with the computer program set of instruction. It work by allowing the user, to issue command as one or more line of text. It work means it work when user give the command to the computer, then it perform the task and give the output, and that command would be in line of text referred to as command line, or in line of numeric value it should be line of command to a program. A good example of CUI are MS-DOS and the Windows command prompt. As you can see in the picture, there's this black background. This picture is black background and written in a white text. Black background is a MS-DOS prompt, and the which is written in a white text, that is directories names and commands is given here. So children, this is a picture of MS-DOS interface. Now see, let's see next GUI interface. A graphical user interface or GUI. What is GUI? As you can see in the picture, it is very attractive and there is no need to, first thing is that is there is no need to give command. Directly you can open the computer and you can use it by the mouse. There is a pointing device mouse which can point anything in on the desktop, folder, icon, picture. Open the file through the mouse, because there are three buttons, two button left and right, and between the buttons there is scroll bar. Through the scroll bar you can scroll anything on the desktop on a file. Now let's see what are the features of GUI user interface. The graphical user interface of GUI is a type of operating system that makes use of windows, icons, menus and pointer. Yes, of course, windows in which we can see it displays a picture of image, folder, file, whatever the work we have done and we do on the screen, it will show and shows all the things on the screen. Icon, it is a small pictures of folder, file and so on. Menu, it is a collection of commands, file, folder and or files, folder and delete button, save button, cut, copy, paste button. These are the commands of icons. Pointer is a icon which point anything on the desktop or on the screen. Icon and option on menus represent folders, application and other commands which are activated when selected and clicked by the pointer. Means icon and option on menus represent folders. Yes, of course, folder and icon and option on menus represent folders, application and other commands which are activated when selected and clicked by the pointer. Yes, pointer is also do this work. It select anything and it can open any file. As I said before this, a mouse is normally used to direct the pointer around the screen. Yes. Now see next, features, advantages of GUI. GUI advantages. They are easy to learn and use. Of course, they are easy to learn to, as you see in the picture, children. This is very attractive picture. It is very colorful picture. User without experience can learn to use the system quickly. Yes, if you have no experience, if you have a little child, if you are non-experienced person, you can use GUI interface and you can learn very easily and very quickly in a few days. The user may switch quickly from one task to another and can interact with several different applications. Yes, in a GUI there is a big benefit of this, that if you can open more than one application and you can jump quickly one application or one task to another task any time. Information remains visible in its own window when attention is switched. Yes, it visible the detail or information always on the window when you attention or when you switched or when you activate that window, it will visible all the detail of that own window. Fast, yes, of course, very fast speed. It is send the data very fast, receive the data very fast. It, you can more things in this. You can chat, you can Gmail, you can post the video, you can upload, you can download, many more things you can do in this. Full screen interaction is possible with immediate access to anywhere on the screen. Yes, full screen interaction is possible in the full screen with immediate access to anywhere on the screen. Yes, you can go anywhere on the screen with full screen. Now see comparison of GUI and CUI. First is GUI and then CUI. Now let's see in GUI. Symbols, pictures and pointing commands are used to execute command. Yes, there is no need to, as I said, there is no need to give any command to the interface because there is a symbols, pictures and pointing commands are used to execute any command. In the CUI, set of character and words are used to execute the command. There is you have to need to give the command, then it will perform the task. In GUI, no need to remember the command. A small practice enable you to use the command. Yes, there is no need to learn anything. You just have to follow the commands, pictures and symbols, icons, that you have to practice, and you will be able to run the or do the work on a GUI. In GUI, the syntax and various options are required to be remembered. Yes, you have to learn the syntax and commands, lots of command to do the work in CUI. It is not a very easy task. It is tough than the GUI. GUI, general menu structure and commands are used for all the application. Yes, general menu structure, yes, like cut, copy, paste, delete, update, save as, all these types of command is very general, and it used in each and every application software. In CUI, different application have their own set of command. Yes, in CUI, if you use interface, so there are different types of command for the different types of application. A number of application can be open and execute in different windows at the same time. Yes, at the same time you can open more than one application, like you can play song, and with play the song you can play the game, you can see the movie with the voice, you can do the work with the listening song, you can print out the things with the song, with the game, you can do many more things at a time. In CUI, only one application can run at a time. In GUI, minimum use of keyboard. In CUI, maximum use of keyboard. Mouse extensively used. Mouse used only in some application. In GUI, easy to operate. In CUI, not user friendly, hence difficult to operate. Now the children, today you have seen what is the interface based on operating system, and what are the types, and what are the benefits, and what are the advantages, and what the comparison and benefits of GUI and CUI. I think you have understood the topic, children. Thank you.